Hello, I'm Amna and today I am discussing about the effectiveness and ROI comparison of advertising on social media platforms. When considering the effectiveness and ROI of advertising on various social media platforms, it's crucial to understand that results can vary based on the numerous factors, including the industry, target audience, content quality, and ad spend. Here is a generalized comparison based on the platforms discussed: Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Instagram effectiveness high for B2C, especially in the industries like fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Visual appeals drives the engagement. Return on investment moderate to high. Sponsored posts and stories, especially with shoppable links, can directly translate to sales. However, cost per click can be higher than some other platforms. Facebook effectiveness high for both B2C and B2B due to its vast user base, diverse and formats cater to various marketing objectives. Return on investment moderate. While Facebook offers detailed targeting resulting in the better conversion rates, competition can drive up end costs. Pinterest effectiveness high for B2C, particularly in niches like DIY, home decor, fashions, and recipes. It's a visual discovery engine that can introduce the products to the users in the consideration phase. ROI moderate to high. Pinterest users often have high purchase intent, leading to better conversion rates. Costs can be lower than the Facebook or Instagram. TikTok effectiveness high for brands targeting younger demographics. The platform's virality can lead to the significant brand exposure. ROI varies. While TikTok's platform is still maturing, some brands have seen the immense returns due to the platform's viral nature, whereas others find it challenging to convert the views into your sales. Twitter effectiveness moderate, best suited for the brand awareness, events promotion, or real-time marketing. ROI lower to moderate. While advertising costs can be lower than the Facebook or Instagram, conversion rates are generally lower as well. LinkedIn effectiveness high for B2B industries. It's an ideal platform for targeting the professionals and the decision makers. Return on investment can be high for B2B but comes with a higher CPC. The platform's pre-site targeting can lead to quality leads and conversions, justifying the price. Overall analysis: B2C brands, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest tend to be the front runners. Instagram and Facebook have mature and ad platforms with the robust targeting, while Pinterest users exhibit the higher purchase intent. TikTok is emerging as a valuable platform for the brands targeting younger demographics. B2B brands. LinkedIn stands out due to its professional user base, making it easier to reach the decision makers and the industry professionals. Cost considerations. TikTok and Twitter might offer the lower advertising costs, but brands should evaluate if the platforms aligns with their target audience and the objectives. Trend adoption. Being early adopters on the emerging platforms like the TikTok can result in the higher ROIs initially due to less competition. If I conclude this all comparison, I would say the actual effectiveness and ROI for any brand depends on the strategy, content quality, targeting precision, and the continuous optimization based on the analytics. It's always recommended to test the multiple platforms and strategies to determine the best fit for a specific brand or the product. From the very depth of my heart, I want to extend my sincerest gratitude to each and every one of you who journeyed with us through this entire video series. Your time, engagement, and feedback have been invaluable. It's viewers like you that make all the effort worthwhile. Please continue to share, discuss, and dive deep into the topics we have explored. Until our next adventure together, thank you for being an integral part of this journey.